Wanna know how to retrieve an account in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Mobile Legends application. And once you're there, on the top left side right here, you can see your profile. So simply select it. Now, this should appear even if you've installed Mobile Legends freshly, as it starts with guest account no matter what. And once you're there, on the bottom, you can see account. Just simply select account. And once I've selected accounts, head towards account center. That should be right below your account ID and it's more information. Now once I've selected account center, here you'll be provided with various settings you can choose from. Now right under account security, you can see retrieve account. Just simply select it. Now once I've selected retrieve account, you should be directed to customer service. And once you're there, here you can just simply fill in the account retrieval form. You can just simply select account retrieval precautions. And if there is any questions, you can just simply ask it to the chatbot. Now you can just simply select here to fill the form. And now the form should open. You can fill the form accordingly and recover or retrieve your account. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.